Republic Act number 1387, passed by the Philippine Congress in 1955, the Mindanao State University, located in Marawi City, formerly known as Dansalan, Lanao del Sur, was established in 1961 with the following objectives. In Mindanao, MSU started in Marawi City, formerly known as Dansalan. Why? Nandoon yung gulo, nandoon yung conflict. And then besides that, the proponent or the what is this, the founding person is a Marana. Nandoon yung gulo. Nandoon yung sa kilometer 00. Yun ang basis ba, mga kasada. Marawi City, Central Mindanao, that is the basis, benchmark, kilometer 000. Engineering students. So, nandoon nag-start. And then later, we radiates into campuses. First campus was actually placed, adapting the illegal Institute of Technology into an issue illegal now. Why? Because the time illegal city is industrialized city.
What is your name and from what department?
My name is J.K.L. Aratis and I'm from Civil Engineering Department, first year.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good.
What do you expect about this event?
About this event, I'm expecting an after party because that's how it goes usually sa mga events sa MSU.
Did you enjoy the event?
Yes, I did enjoy the event a lot. Samot na sa day 1 katong singing contest, they were all good and yeah, it was very enjoying.
That's all. Thank you.
Bago siya graduate sa CIT. CIT? IIT na yun. Parang sa rin. Statistician siya. Siya din ito ba? Ako lang naman, hindi na ito yung kakadali. Susurado ka? Sa ba na?
Good afternoon, sir. So, how are you feeling today?
Yes, good afternoon. Since last day naman sa atong foundation day, very kapoy kaayo, no? But at the same time, very fulfilling kayo kay nahuman na gyud ang ato ang foundation day nga daghan nag-enjoy, daghan og nag-showcase sa ilahang mga talents.
Okay, thank you, sir. Another question is, did you enjoy the event?
Of course, I've enjoyed the event, no? Tapos, actually, na ako'y gi-coach na team and nakita na ko ang sa tagani ang ilahang capacity to showcase their talent in a very large crowd. So, happy kay ko and nag-enjoy pod.
Thank you, sir. And the last question is, how has the MSU MCSE Foundation Day evolved over the years?
Okay. Actually, nag-start ko og teach here last year. So, naka-experience na ko og anniversary, third anniversary na since fourth na anniversary naman karon. Akong na-observe kay daghan naay na-add nga mga events which is very okay kay daghan pod og mga likes og mga talents nga gusto ipakita ang ato ang mga estudyante. Tapos daghan pod og kanang since ning daghan man ang budget, so very nindot kayo ang ato ang venue karon and very nindot pod ang decoration sa venue. Ora to ang dagang salamat.
Thank you, sir.